Today I will show you how to add text behind object like Mr. Beast. Here is a simple video clips and duplicate the layer. Then I will go effect control and masking the subject, the top up layer. We will zoom in the program sequence. We will select the whole person. I will zoom out when it is completely selected. Or we can double click here to make it zoom in, zoom out. Then we will write here. I will enlarge the text and put it behind the subject. We must place the text layer between the two video layers. I will make the text brighter. So we will go effect and search VR glow effect. Play with the text layer. Then we will go effect control and decrease the luma threshold like 0%. If we want to make it brighter, then click here. But we want to make it any brighter. Then we will return to the layer above and activate the mask path. It will take some time. I'll play on and see how it looks. I will increase the mask feather so that it looks more beautiful. We'll replay it. This is done now. If we show each layer one by one, then you will understand better. This is the subject layer, and this is the text layer, and this is the main layer. Then we will animate the text. Decrease the scale 0% and turn on the keyframe. I will make the scale 110% on the right side. Then again I will make the scale 100% on the right side. At the end, I will do the zoom out animation again. To bring it more smoothly, keyframes should be is in, is out. Is done now. If we launch it, will look like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like, and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.